Surya Namaskar, Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale and exhale. Namaskarasana. Dve, inhale. Hasta Uttana. Triyeni, exhale. Pada Hastasana. Chatwari, right leg back. Asva Sanchalana. Pancha, exhale, left leg back, mountain posture. Shata, inhale and exhale, knees down, chest down and chin down. Sapta, inhale, cobra. Asto, exhale, again mountain posture. Nava, right leg forward, Asva Sanchalana. Dasha, exhale, Pada Hastasana. Ekadasha, inhale, Hasta Uttana. Dwadasha, Namaskarasana. Left side. Ekam, inhale and exhale. Dve, breath in. Hasta Uttana. Triyeni, breath out, Pada Hastasana. Chatwari, breath in, Asva Sanchalana. Pancha, breath out, mountain posture. Shata, breath in and out, Sastanga Namaskara. Sapta, breath in, Cobra. Asto, breath out, again mountain posture. Nava, breath in, left leg forward, Asva Sanchalana. Dasha, breath out, Pada Hastasana. Ekadasha, breath in, Hasta Uttana. Dwadasha, breath out, Namaskarasana. And relax to Shitila Tadasana, legs apart, hands apart. Observe the changes in your whole body, your breath, and relax.